Pick the bottle, colored bottle. ASAP challenge starts. Ready? 5, 4, white. Super. Vanuja 5 points. Kavita 0 points. Vanuja 5 points. Ready? 5, 4, 3, orange. Super. Kavita 0 points. Vanuja 10 points. Ready? 5, 4, 3, blue. Super. Kavita 5 points. Vanuja 10 points. 3, 2, green. Super. Kavita 5 points. Vanuja 15 points. 3, 2, black. Super. Kavita 10 points. Vanuja 15 points. 3, 2, yellow. Super. Kavita 10 points. Vanuja 20 points. 5, 4, 3, green. Kavita 15 points. Vanuja 20 points. 3, 2, green. Kavita 15 points. Vanuja 25 points. 3, 2, white. Kavita 20 points. Vanuja 25 points. Ready? 3, 2, blue. Kavita 20 points. Vanuja 30 points. Ready? 5, 4, 3, orange. Kavita 20 points. Vanuja 30 points. 5, 4, 3, red. Kavita 25 points. Vanuja 35 points. 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, yellow. Correct. Kavita 35 points. Vanuja 35 points. Ready? 5, 4, 3, orange. Super. Kavita 35 points. Vanuja 40 points. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, black. Kavita 40 points. Vanuja 40 points. Super. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, white. 40, 45. Kavita 40, Vanuja 45 points. 5, 4, 3, blue. Blue ante? Okay, very good. Kavita 45, Vanuja 45. This is the tough match. Last one. Winning point 5, 4, 6, 7, 8, blue. Kavita is the winner.